All right, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it is. Appreciate you guys joining me for B-Dub Outdoors. I got a package in the mail today. Been waiting for these. I've been on a quest. To find some snake boots, and I'm gonna unbox these, and we'll see how they fit and how they do. So these are LaCrosse snake boots. And I ordered these on through Guide Fitter, which partners with various companies. Got the box here. Over here on the side, it's the Alpha Agility 17-inch snake boot. So inside the box, it's a warranty card inside the box. The ones they had were the brown version. And they seem fairly light. Honestly, I was thinking that this side piece would be different. I was thinking that this would be harder, but it is not hard. It seems pretty soft. But you can see, again, it's got it labeled as the Alpha Agility Snake Boot. And over on the side here, it says snake proof. So they look good. They seem fairly light. I'm gonna try these on. Here's one, and then here is another. Now I fluctuate depending on the size, and this is a size 9. A lot of times I'll wear a 9.5. I know sometimes people go larger. I was afraid that it might be a little too large. I have tried these on in a store before, but I'm gonna put them on real quick and let's see how they feel and everything, how they fit. Right foot, so far so good. Left foot, so far so good. Now I tried on the Alpha, I think it's called the Alpha like 4X or something like that one time. And those were super comfortable. These, in the toes, I noticed that these have a more stiff feel. But when I bend over, sometimes I like to get on the ground and squat. When I bend over, it doesn't hurt my feet. I've had some boots, I ordered some boots, I had to send them back, where the uppers were super stiff and it started hurting my leg. And then when I bent over on my right foot, where the rubber bent would actually hurt my foot on my right foot, but not on my left. So right here seems to be pretty good. I do feel this when I bend over. I feel it go into my thigh a little bit. These are 17-inch boots, so that's part of the reason. Honestly, I'm not too concerned about that. That little bit of movement. So this is one of the historic rubs that always gets hit every year in the swamp behind my house. This is one of the reasons why I got these boots, because of the water, for example, like behind me. Plus some of the public land that I hunt on, it has a lot of water depending on where I go. So having a set of rubber boots is beneficial because my feet are still dry. So these things are keeping the water out. Hey, my feet are dry. That's good to go. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go out and I'm gonna grab my stick and I'm gonna try climbing with these to see how well they perform. Okay, for those of you who watch my channel, you know that I like to saddle hunt, and I specifically like to saddle hunt using the one sticking method. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out here and I'm gonna set that up. So I'm gonna be running an 8er, and then I have the tethered one stick. I also have a Hawk Helium stick with a platform that I may run also with the 8er. So I'm gonna try this here and see how well it does. So far so good. First step, second step, and here I'm gonna dig my chute in to the tree and step up. Step, third step, and I'm up right here. So seems well. So generally, I think these are gonna work for me. The front of the boot sometimes will slap my leg, but these are super high, and I got skinny legs anyway, so I've got a lot of gap in there. Sometimes I'll wear knee pads when I hunt, and that might fill in some of that gap. But when I'm scouting, I'll get a little bit of slap in the leg on it, but it's a lot softer than the boots that I had before, so hopefully these won't give me trouble and hurt my shins like the boots did before. So that should give you an idea of the boots. You know, check back with me later in the season. Check back with me during deer season. It is February right now, the end of February. So turkey season, deer season, to see how well these things hold out. And yeah, I'm hoping they're going to be good boots through this coming season. So thanks for watching. Remember, Jesus loves you. No matter what you're going through, give it to Christ, and Christ can set you free.